This room is the Grand Deluxe King non-smoking room. It measures up at 350 square feet and is the cheapest room at downtown Grand. And I've got to say, for the price point, this is a very bright, clean, nice room. And the use of the 350 square feet is very efficient. It feels very roomy in here, but not barren. The bedside comes with a power outlet on the lamp, a digital clock, and a Bluetooth speaker. And there is a little closet space with a safe urn and ironing board. There is also a workspace with 2 complimentary bottles of water, an ice bucket, power and connecting ports are located on the side. At check-in, they give you some papers with some gambling coupons attached, and there is some pool party information, some promotional information, and general hotel information. Oh yeah, and just so you know, the ice machines in the Grand Tower are located on every 3rd floor, so there was not an ice machine on my floor. And these rooms are non-smoking rooms, so there is a $300.50 fine if you do any of this stuff in the room. There is also a large vintage-looking dressing mirror mounted to the corner of the room. The carpeting was clean and in good condition. There is a decent amount of window space. This room had a western exposure. From here I could see the video screen at Stadium Swim at Circa and the rooftop pool at Binion's. The bathroom was small, there was a moderate amount of counter space, and only 2 sets of towels. However, it was a clean bathroom and everything functioned properly. It did get the job done. And now a few final thoughts on my stay in the cheapest room at the Downtown Grand. The room is a very good value for the price point. The location is very close to all the action at Fremont Street, but far away enough to sleep at night. And while you're still here, I would like to thank you for watching. You can show and help support this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.